Have you ever split a bill or seen a sale price and tried to work out the saving? That is fractions in action. In this video, we are going to explore what a fraction is and why it matters. A fraction is simply a way of writing part of a whole. It shows how many pieces you have out of a total number of equal pieces. Every fraction has two numbers. The bottom number is the denominator. It tells you how many equal parts in total. The top number is the numerator. It tells you how many of those parts you have. Think of a pizza cut into 4 equal slices. Eat 1 slice and you have had 1/4. Eat 3 and you have had 3/4. The pizza has not changed. Only how much of it you have. Fractions appear in everyday life constantly. Your rent as a portion of your income. A recipe asking for 2/3 of a cup. A shop offering 1/3 off. Once you understand them, everything becomes clearer. The most common mistake is thinking a bigger bottom number means a bigger fraction. It does not. 1/2 is bigger than 1/4. More slices just means each slice is smaller. To recap, a fraction shows part of a whole. Bottom number, how many equal parts in total. Top number, how many of those parts you have. That is all a fraction ever is. Next up, numerator and denominator. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more everyday maths explained simply.